Hello, it's a great day in Dunwoody. We've got a thermoplastic installation of bike lane symbols here on Mount Vernon Road here in Dunwoody, Georgia. I'm going to watch him. He's lighting up the propane torch here. Check this out. Thermoplastic bike lane installation. Check out this sucker. Flames are going on that sucker up. Wow. Melting on. Stay here for years. Low maintenance, baby. Low maintenance. Yes, this is a bike lane now. We're going to have the whole lane done here. Big shout out and thanks to Dunwoody Public Works Department, Michael Smith and crew for getting this out there and putting this in. Got our lovely crew here from Roadworks, outsourced Dunwoody Public Works Department right here. Roadworks. Got a big shade there, so. This guy's a brave soul here, standing in the road. No barrier or anything. But again, this is a complete streets operation in mode, and we're looking at the entire corridor of Mount Vernon from east-west, and then the Chamblee Dunwoody north to south, and on both ends of Roberts Drive and North Shallowford going the north to south route, major routes. Let's just check this out and enjoy. Yummy, yummy. Toasty. Those suckers just lay in place, and then you melt it on the pavement. Awesome, baby. So, anyway, you guys get the gist. No debris under there. Awesome. Have a great one. Thank you.